So after managing contacts, the main feature in Systeme.io is the ability to create entire sales funnels in just a few clicks. So you click to funnels. Right now we don't have any funnel yet. So I'm gonna create one funnel and you will see it's very easy to do. So let's say it's a, like a test funnel. So here I have a few options, it can be a sales funnel to build an audience, to sell stuff, can be a custom sales funnel, or I can run an evergreen webinar. Here I can choose the currency. So let's choose the US dollar. All right, there it is. So basically when I choose custom, I'm not gonna have any page. Okay, so let's go with this. I will show you the feature and then I'm gonna show you in detail how to create more specific sales funnels. So this is the view you have to manage your sales funnel. So here you have the list of all the pages you created. So let's say I want to create, just a, let's say a squeeze page. So I choose the type squeeze page. Yeah. So there it is. This icon here means that I haven't chosen any template yet. So I have some template I can choose from. If you want more templates, feel free to reach out to us and let us know which template you want, and we'll be happy to add it to the list. So here you have the step configuration. So let's say I'm gonna select this one. It's quite nice. Yep. So now I have the step settings. So that's the name of the page, the URL path here. Of course, you can actually link your own domain to use your own domain instead of this Systeme.io subdomain here. And here you have the ability to copy the link to the page. So let's save the funnel, click view, and there it is. You have the whole page and you can edit it as you want. Okay. So here you have some automation rules. You can create automation rules directly here in these thumbnails. So some automation rules related to this sales funnel step. Here you have the ability to run split tests. Here you can see the stats, and here you can see the actual list of people who purchase your product. So it's quite practical. You can review all the customers of one specific sales funnel. So I can add more steps. Let's say that I want to have a thank you page after the opt-in. So I will choose this type here, and there it is. I have two templates. Let's choose this one, and there it is. You see. So I click save. Of course, I'm free to change the order. I can add as many steps as I want, and here I have the ability to set an inactive page. So it's very convenient. For example, if you have an offer that's time limited, when time is over, you can actually disable the whole funnel, so all the pages become unavailable and visitors will be redirected to this inactive page. So here you can, for example, add an opt-in form so that, for example, if you've just done a big launch with affiliates, you can actually collect leads from this page. So let's go back. Here you have the sales funnels settings. So here I can actually use different domains if I have linked other domains to my account, which I can do by clicking here in custom domains. Okay, so here you have plenty of settings. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to create a sales funnels to build your email list.